friends!
Hi, Wayne. Hi, friends.
Today we're going to make a SAGO Mini first aid kit. We got these instructions from their website and we printed them off from their website. These are the tools that we're going to use. We're going to color them. Here's our doctor kit. We're going to color this. After we color them, we're going to glue them. We're going to glue them to some cardboard and cut them out. I just use cereal boxes.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to start coloring.
Mask?
Yeah.
Are they okay if they have glue in their eye?
Yeah, they'll be okay.
No, they're not. I'm almost done with mine. Okay. I got a boo-boo on my shirt. I got a boo-boo on my shirt. And their eyes.
They'll be okay. They got glue all over.
I don't know mine. My hand. Be okay and will not be okay. And will not be okay.
So we're going to cut out the pieces and then we're going to have a little doctor kit. Alright, let's go. So this is what we made. We made the doctor kit. Look at all of our tools. I still need to fold the doctor kit. And then I'm going to fold it. And I'm going to add some tape. Will you hold this, please? Right here. Will you hold that? Thank you. I'm going to add some tape to the sides. So everything can go in there. Now look at that. Now our SAGO Mini Doctor Kit is ready for the tools. Here we go, girls. Put your tools in.
And my mama does.
Oh wow, look at that. This is super cool. You have a SAGO Mini Doctor Kit.
Yay.
Yay. Do you have any friends that need any help?
Yeah. Okay. This down here.
Hi, I need some help. What happened? Let's get our tools out.
You need a band-aid after 20 minutes.
Do you have a fever?
Oh, it's done. Here's
Yeah.
this one. And it's
Maybe we can give him a cold head wrap.
yeah, the lollipop.
The lollipop would be good.
There you go, with a lollipop. Lollipop. Now the lollipop. And a hot band-aid, but it's not. So that means you calm down. And band-aids, band-aid.
Apple a day?
Yeah. lollipop. The flavor of the lollipop is watermelon with blueberries inside.
Yum. How do you feel now?
You feel better? Oh, you build. Take those band-aids off. Does he like it?
I think so. Next patient.
It's Kitty Cat.
I have a boo-boo. I was on my slide and I fell down. I hurt my tail in my hand.
Okay. Is that feeling better? And your mom and dad? Oh. We got the thing. His tail's all gone. And now that's his head. And another. He feels better. He needs a band-aid. Ooh, and he needs an lollipop, apple, banana, and the medicine. Ooh, and I'm going to do something. My band-aid.
Good idea.
No big one. And then that's it. You're all better.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
And the other one is a teddy bear. Your head, your head, and your nose.
Yes.
And nose. Okay. Oh, nose needs a band-aid. Okay, nose all gone. Now that's on his head. The doctor's going to step up and send some bouncy medicine. About this? Oh, he's 20. He's 25, 50 degrees.
Whoa.
Is that good?
I don't know if that's good. I think it might be okay. I think it might be feeling better. Maybe he needs a little medicine.
If he needs anything, just suck on him.
I do feel better.
Hi.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.